Today we are doing a cold meal prep. So what that means is that your meal that you're gonna have throughout the week's just cold. You don't need a microwave at all, nothing. You just have your cooler and you will not need to warm it up. It's gonna be delicious. We'll start off with the potato salad. So we're making 5 days worth here. 5 hard-boiled eggs, 2.5 pounds, which means we're having 8 ounces of red skin potatoes per day. The onion, I don't know, it's a quarter onion probably, but I'm not gonna track that. That would be like 5 calories a day, who cares? Then we got some dill, pepper, garlic salt, Dijon mustard, avocado oil mayo. You could also get olive oil mayo, plain non-fat Greek yogurt, and then a little sweetness, we'll go with some stevia or any other sugar-free sweetener. So let's get the sauce, mixing the sauce together. So for the mayo, we'll do 4 tablespoons or 56 grams, 100 grams of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. And now we got the mustard, 4 teaspoons or 20 grams. Then I'll just add some pepper, garlic salt, and dill. I honestly don't measure any of these. I just add them in and then I can always add it in later too. So just wing it, go with the flow. It'll be good and adjust based on taste. Yeah, we'll just do just 1 tablespoon. Looks good, sure. But now we'll just mix this up. I think that's pretty good. I don't know, to me it's really good. And I'll add the white onion. You could use whatever onion you want. I prefer white, has the strongest taste. So we'll mix that in, and then mix it all in with the potatoes, and then add in the eggs. So the potato salad is done. We can set that aside. Now for our main source of protein, we're gonna keep it really simple with just ham sandwiches. Let's just throw together a few really simple sandwiches here. And whatever bread you prefer too. Like, yes, wheat is probably better, but if you don't like the taste of it, don't get it. You need to enjoy what you're eating too. That's so much more important, so it's sustainable. Then we'll just put a slice of Swiss cheese on each. 6 grams of fat, 5 grams of protein. I want to talk about ham a little bit. It can be extremely lean. Look at the nutrition facts first, because well, per 3 ounces in this, it's 15 grams of protein and 2.5 grams of fat is all. This is honey cured, so there's a little bit of carbs, which is great. I'm just gonna add flavor, so the sweetness, the saltiness, plus some Swiss cheese and mustard. Oh man, can't beat that. So what we're gonna do is put 4 ounces on each sandwich. Then we'll just top off the sandwiches with some mustard. I have a few different ones that I really like. All the Sam's Choice ones from Walmart are really good. There's different flavors, garlic aioli, chipotle, mustard, and then also Southwest Hot. Mustard's very low calorie too, so I'd still track it as like one of the servings, so 10 calories there. So now I'm gonna dish up. I'm gonna eat it here at home, but I just wanted to show you guys this. Like, you don't need a microwave. 2 sandwiches, maybe you only need 1. It depends on what your goals are, it really does. So I'm dishing up 1/5 of the potato salad. I'm guesstimating, because at the end of the week it'll all balance itself out. One day I might have a little more, but that means one of the other days following it might be a little less, which is okay, that's fine. I think I nailed it. The potato salad, yes, okay. Yep, I'm happy as can be with that. So the macros for 1 ham and Swiss sandwich is 357 calories, 30 grams of protein, 35 grams carbs, and 11 grams of fat. And that's gonna vary based on your bread choice. I picked Sara Lee honey wheat. There's no reason, I just saw it, I just grabbed it. I'm not super picky about that. It's whatever I see and sounds good, I guess. So honey wheat sounded good and not too bad with calories. So 2 slices, 130 calories. And since this meal isn't like super nutrient dense, obviously it's not bad. Like, potatoes are good, eggs, awesome, but we need our veggies and fruits. So Carrots are always my go-to in the field, but fruit, shoot. You could have apple, oranges or clementines, kiwi, pear. So there's all sorts of things that you could have. So good carb source, nutrients, fiber, so you can actually break this down and you know what. So with that being said, just pack this up in your cooler. You're good to go. Carrots, potato salad, ham sandwiches. Watch the gains come, watch the fat burn off. Pretty simple. And then you'll have your potato salad for the rest of the week. And then you can make another batch on Sunday. Now before I wrap up this video, I want to share with you guys a grocery list, a cold prep grocery list that you can utilize for future, so you don't have to be having like ham sandwiches every week, which could get awfully old if you ask me. So other meat sources, personally, I'll make like a turkey, a full turkey or like a full beef roast, maybe even a pork roast, and then just make sandwiches out of that. If you really need to make use deli meat sandwiches, you can, but it's obviously better for you if you actually make like a full-on roast or turkey. Other protein sources would be hard-boiled eggs, Greek yogurt. I like the light and fit ones personally. Cottage cheese, great. Then there's also tuna packs, the Starkist Tuna Creations, I believe they're called. Different flavors of them, so those are just nice and easy to grab on the go. Throw it in your cooler. Make sure to remember your fork though, or spoon. And then protein bars. Really simple source there. I only recommend having one a day just because most of them typically they just add a bunch of fiber in there, so they might make you gassy and feel bloated. Now to move on to carbs, obviously we have bread from, like if you're making sandwiches, and then you could also make wraps. So there's plenty of different like tortillas or wraps that you can choose from. They're all gonna be slightly different in macros, so kind of just look around and go with the one you enjoy the taste of that also helps you hit your goals the easiest. Other than that, quick snacks, you got granola bars, pretzels, rice cakes, cereal, granola. Cereal, I always go with Honey Nut Cheerios just because there's fiber in there and it's good, really good. So it's not super high in sugar, but it's just a nice source of carbs. For fats, there's nuts, cashews, almonds, You get the picture. Nut butters, almond butter, peanut butter that you could spread on rice cakes, dip your carrots in. Cheese, different cheese variations. Instead of just having Swiss all the time, get some Colby Jack, cheddar. And if you really need to get some extra fat in, just spread some butter on your sandwiches, weigh it out, you're good. And also some fattier meat, such as like bacon. Cook some bacon up, have it cold, mix it, put it on like a turkey, make a turkey BLT or something like that, which would be really good. That sounds amazing. That might be the next one I have. And for fruits and vegetables, I know I already went over this a little bit, but let's go over it again because these are obviously pretty important for fiber and overall health, nutrients and all that. Apples, oranges, pears, other ones maybe peaches, plums, grapes, very simple there. And then for veggies, we got our carrots, peppers, cucumbers, sugar snap peas, and also you could put some lettuce or tomato on your sandwich. So all those ones are just easy to grab and go. So that's the reason why I put these ones specifically on this list. So grab and go, throw it in the lunchbox, get out the door, you're good to go, eat it later in the day, just straight up. And a few other recipes that would be great for cold prep on my website are any of the overnight oat variations, so you get a nice sweet treat there. Make it in the morning, throw it in your cooler. It's gonna be perfect by the time you open it up, trust me. And then I also have a buffalo chicken wrap and a chipotle chicken wrap, which I love those. I haven't had those in so long, but I need to have them. Then there's a chicken salad. I really like the chicken salad. As you see here, it's on lettuce, but you could put it on bread, eat it straight up, put it on a wrap, do what you need to do. And a nice little sweet treat for you, make some protein Oreo cheesecake bites. So those are some of my favorite things, super easy to make and delicious, help you stay on track without feeling too restricted. So thanks for watching this one, guys. I hope this helps and see you in the next one.